All right, content marketing pros, which among you is already earning more than $20 return on marketing investment for every $1 you invest in email marketing? If you're not yet, or if you're not sure, that means you need to come see me at Content Marketing World this year. I'm leading a workshop. It'll be entirely around email marketing. And as I like to say, email marketing is actually the workhorse that puts these great content assets, this asset library that you've created as a content marketer, to work. And that 20 to $1 ratio can go only sky high especially if you're in the business to business side. So I hope you'll join me. The workshop is going to cover everything from email best practices that you probably don't know, maybe some that you do, the content trends that we're seeing in email marketing in the industry, how to grow your list. So as soon as you see that return on investment, how do you invest more in email marketing? You got to grow that list of subscribers and prospects. And then we'll talk about some idea boosters for that ROI. So some things that you may not be thinking of that will actually have an immediate impact to your bottom line. So come see me, Jessica Best from Barkley, at Content Marketing World. We'll be doing an email marketing workshop before everything gets started for the week. Hope to see you in Cleveland.